Doing a wire transfer to Citi Bank is very easy. Today I'm going to show you how to do it. This feature will provide an entitled user with a single-page data entry for the initial wire transfer setup. This feature can be used for both domestic and foreign currency wires. Main menu, Payments and Transfers, set up a wire transfer. Select Transfers and Payments. Next, select Set up a wire transfer. After that, the entitled user will select what type of wire they want to send, domestic, foreign, or use a model. After that, enter the wire detailed information. Required information is indicated with the blue text. Other information is optional. Next, click on Continue. Review the wire instructions and select Send Wire. Save as model only or cancel wire. Select Submit to activate the wire request. Save as a model. To save wire details as a new model, edit to modify the wire details, or cancel to cancel the wire request. If Save as a model has been selected, you will get a confirmation message stating that the wire was saved as a model and the option to submit the wire or cancel it. Input the password it directed. The new wire request is sent or is saved and activated in the approvals. Additional approval is required. Once the wire is sent, you will get a confirmation number. This is not the federal reference number or global identification number.